Hi guys, and today I'll be doing a video on how to make the paper Christmas tree. Now this is my own design and I'm pretty proud of it. And this makes a pretty good Christmas ornament if you just attach like a string to it. So I'll be using a white piece of paper to show you for now, but you can use a green piece of paper and some brown paper for the stump if you want to make it like that. So the first step is to fold in half like this. Okay, so now you want to cut it in half along this line. Okay, so you can put the top one aside for now because we won't need it until later. So you want to fold it in half again. Okay, so now you want to fold it in half like that and open it back up. And I'm going to fold this side to the crease right there. I'll fold this up like that and fold the flap back and put it into the pocket right here. And fold the top down by about the same amount as this pocket here. And just fold it down like that. And tuck it into the flap. And fold this in half like this. And stick this into the pocket. So now you can put this aside. And you just want to fold this in half. Okay, so now you want to cut or rip along this crease here. Okay, so now you want to fold this in half like this, but only just right here. You want to make a crease so you see that right there, and do the same thing on the other side. So now you have creases on the side. You want to fold this to the crease right there. And do the same thing with the side. So now you want to cut or rip along this crease. Now you want to fold in half. Fold this side to the crease. I'm going to fold this up. Push the flap back. And fold this in half right here. And put that in the pocket. And fold this in half. And fold it in half again, like that, but not all the way, so just halfway, and just push it in. So you can put this aside now. I'm going to take this and fold it in half. Okay, so now you want to cut or rip along this line. So you want to fold in half like this, and then cut along this line, so just cut in half or I'll rip it. So now you want to fold this in half like that and fold this line to the crease and just fold it up, fold this around, put this in the pocket, fold this down, and then just push it in and put this in the flap. So now you want to take these back and you want to just stack these up like this. It's always a lot easier if you have some glue, and you can just put some glue here and some glue here to keep it in place, like on these ones. So I got some glue here. Just open it up and just put it on the top here, like this. This also works with liquid glue if you don't have a glue stick. I just like the glue sticks better because they dry faster and I don't have to wait as long. And just put some glue on here. Okay, so now for the stump, you just want to fold this in half. This one, fold in half again, and fold in half the last time, and just put it in there. So this is your finished Christmas tree. And if you want to make it more festive, you can add some string in. You can use this that you cut off earlier and just glue it in the back. Like that, and this could be a Christmas ornament, or you can use some like colored string there and make it a more colorful one. And well, that's all for this video. If you want to see more content like this, please like and subscribe and share this with all your friends. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.